tapos may mga araw na late kami nagsisimula, merong mga araw na ilang sequence lang yung natitake namin. So, ang daming naging adjustments. Dapat kasi supposedly yung Sunday namin is free day. Pero, dahil nga ang daming nangyari, ang daming aberyang nangyari doon, parang yung Sundays namin, naging work day na rin. Pero ayun naman, good thing na natapos naman direct, diba? Wala naman tayong, meron pa nga kami mga na-reshoot doon, yung mga na-reshoot na eksena, mga heavy scenes bilang isa, dalawa, bilang. So ayun, medyo masaya mag-shoot doon kahit syempre bagong experience sa akin and yung role ko doon and yung mga eksena na heavy na hindi naman ako sanay bilang light lang yung mga roles na ginagampanan ko talaga. So ayun, medyo nag-struggle lang ako pero masaya naman, masaya yung naging experience namin ni Adam and naging close. Yung relationship, hindi direct, yung relationship natin lahat doon. Diba? Family tayo, hindi tayo parang magkakatrabaho lang doon. As in, napamahal tayo sa isa't isa.
Ayun, and then, actually, first time ko po, and first time din namin to shoot a movie abroad. Sa tagal ko sa showbiz, parang, this is the perfect time to really do something big like this. And it's our way of giving back as well. Marami na pong, after tamang panahon, actually, all of the fans and the supporters were clamoring for a movie. So parang this was the perfect time, kumbaga, parang 1 year in the making. So we're just very proud of the outcome of the movie. Parang when we were dubbing it, we saw the edit of the film. So masarap po yung naging experience, masaya and very fulfilled. And we really can't wait for July 12 and 13.
Okay, so we'll open the floor up for questions. But before we do that, so ang magtatanong, ang tinuro ko hindi pa rin mo tayo sinabi ko na bouncer din ako, guys. So, kaya ako malaki, di ba? So, request lang natin as much as possible for the Q&A. Let's try to keep it to the movie. Kasi kung titignan nyo din talaga ngayon yung Twitter, sobrang lahat ng tanong ng Aldab Nation, sana yung mga tanong daw natin tungkol sa movie. So, baka, Gemma, we can start with you.
Hello po. Hi, from Orange Magazine. Curious lang ako kasi walang GMA na cast. I know, hindi siya GMA Films.
GMA Films. Hindi nagbabasa.
Anyways, ba't co-prod lang siya and paano nagawa yung story? Is it main Alden na o nakaready na yung script? O tinailor talaga siya para sa cast. And siguro mga 2 trivias about the movie na you can share.
In terms of yung script, no. When it was finally decided na gagawa talaga ng Aldab movie, ilan yung pin-prepare namin mga concepts. All catered to Alden. Kasi we felt we knew them well enough kung ano yung mga strengths nila, yung gano'n. So talagang we wanted to create a movie just for them. One of my early decisions was not to do a remake. Kasi yun yung #1 na suggestion ng mga tao. Sabi ko, no, I'm not gonna do a remake because Alden and May deserve more than that. They deserve something original and something really written for them. Marami kaming sinubukan. Yung iba, hindi ko na ikikwento. Alam ni May niya, may mga stunts kaming sinubukan in terms of trying to come up with a story. Pero naka-pito kaming concept and all of them were rejected. And then it was the 8th. So out of nowhere, yung 8th concept, medyo nagtugma-tugma lahat doon. Parang everything came together. Lahat ng factors na hinahanap namin na doon. So we went with that, which was itong story ng Imagine. And then, trivia. About the movie. Trivia. The idea of shooting in Como, Italy, that started 5 years ago. Kasi my father went to Como as a tourist. Tapos na-inlove lang siya sa lugar. And then he has been trying to create a movie or make a movie based in Como ever since then, 5 years ago. Actually, a fan yesterday pointed out 5 years ago was also the first time they met. Yung sa Candy Fair, I think. 5 years ago was also when my father thought of one day I will make a movie in Como. And he tried. May mga naisip siyang mga concepts ng projects, walang natuloy. So parang ito lang, dito lang again, parang dito nagtugma lahat, everything came together. Yun. So that's a trivia kasi medyo, hindi ko nga na-realize na medyo may destiny talaga na itong naman.
Then, May, you want to add anything to that? Or...
Well, in terms of creating the story, we were given a chance to input our own ideas into the character. After the script, we had several sessions of workshop before flying to Italy with Direct Mike, kaming tatlo po. So when we read the script, we thought that if we could add a little touch of this, touch of that, in a way, made it into our personal, kumbaga pinersonalize po namin yung mga roles namin. So, in a way, it's a very, yung freedom po to have been able to incorporate ideas into the film is a big deal for us. So, napakabait po ng creative team itong Imagine yun, especially Direct Mike.
Well, I have something to add to that. Kasi marami nagtatanong, for me to give an example of what they suggested. What you saw in the trailer, buti nga kaka-replay lang natin. What you saw in the trailer, yung scene na nandun sa parang garden, tapos nag-uusap silang dalawa na alis ka na, ba't di mo sinabi sa akin? That was completely missing from the draft. So silang dalawa ang nagsabi, direct kailangan namin, di ba? Yun eh. Oo, so kailangan namin ng, parang naghahanap kami ng eksena na ganito, na ganyan. So that scene would not exist at all if not for the two of them. Nandun na kami sa nasa rehearsal stage na kami. We were rehearsing scenes already. Tapos nung pinag-aaralan namin yung yung rhythm, nung kwento, silang dalawa ay nag-agree pa. Sabi ko, nakaka-irita kayong dalawa, agree agad kayo, tag team. So talo agad ako, di ba? Outnumbers ako. Oo eh. Tapos yun, ito, ang gusto ko sa kanila, they never, not once, never sila nag-suggest ng anything to make them look better, or yung pampagwapo, pampaganda, nothing. It was all about the story. It was all about character. So that scene na nakita niyo na medyo bida sa lahat ng mga trailers natin, that wouldn't exist if not for the two of them.
Okay.
Direk, ano kasi yung individual? Ano yun, yung sa, okay naman talaga yung script yung original na script.